My name is Amie Dansby. I am a software developer. I kind of got into this little crazy world of cosplay that has led me now to Hybrid World and Mod Museum through making these costumes and my engineering and electronics skills. Most of the time when I was a kid, I went to all these museums and they're like, don't touch this, don't touch that. Like, this museum is trying to bring all of that together. They're trying to revamp this idea of a museum and history and learning. So I'm teaching 6 workshops. Each workshop will consist of learning some type of skill, whether it's electronics, it's pouring resin for LEDs, it's gonna be any type of like little robotics with servos. They'll each learn one of these little things, they get to take it home, and then they'll contribute to the actual piece of the costume, and then I'll wear it for Hybrid World, and then they're gonna have it on display at the museum. Each workshop has 15 people, so 6 workshops. That's a lot of people contributing to this amazing cosplay project. We're calling it Space Junk Punk. So I think of like the movie WALL-E. Like, WALL-E is like alone in this world and it's hundreds of years in the future. There's one scene where he's like, you know, he has a little ring box and this diamond ring and he takes it and then he's like, ooh, and then he throws the ring away because he sees so much value from this little box. It's got a story and I'm really, really excited to like be able to create this. I'll have like helped people make something, help teach something, and they're gonna give back and hopefully they'll teach me something. This is gonna pave the way for how museums are gonna be. I'll be at Hybrid World Adelaide, July 20th through the 24th, help contribute to this open source cosplay project and help change the future of museum cosplay and open source.